Good morning, Teacher Rob. Good morning, classmates. Nice to see you again. Now, we're gonna talk about chemical cleaning materials for the house. Chemical cleaning materials are also available in the market and are sold in liquid or solid form. Make sure you buy the safe kind of chemical cleaning materials. Like 1. All-purpose liquid cleaner is used to wipe pieces of furniture, counters, jars, and toilets. Number 2. Solid or liquid wax provides a protective coat to make the floor and pieces of furniture bright and shiny. Number 3. Air freshener makes the area smell fresh and clean. You should choose the safe ones. Number 4. Bathroom deodorizer can help minimize the foul smell in the bathroom. Now we're gonna talk about proper storing of the different cleaning materials. Caring and proper keeping of cleaning materials at home should be done for safety and durability. Examples: 1. Shake the sweeping materials outside the house after use to get rid of the dust and dirt. Number 2. Keep brooms in a clean and dry place. Number 3. Wash wiping tools regularly with warm, soapy water. Rinse and squeeze them well, then dry and store them into the cabinet. Or wash brushes after each use. Hang them to dry. Number 5. Store cleaning materials and tools in a clean, dry place.